back, everyone. This is another video at Windrock. Just got here a few minutes ago, getting ready, loading coolers, making sure we got tools and snacks and all the necessities, checking over the machines, making sure they're good. If you're new to the channel, 2019 X3, 2019 X3, 2020 X3. The important things are Halo 30 Zillas, Halo 30 Zillas, welded smart lock spool 35s Zillas. The basic rundown. If you want to know more and you're not familiar with our machines, down in the description below we list our entire build of absolutely everything that we have on these and done to them, so you can check that out. But I think today's plan, we're going to go hit 16, and from there I don't know what else we're going to get done, so we're not planning too far out just in case. But we have to go up to the general store to see if they have any ice. We need some more ice, and once we get up there I'll turn the cameras on and I'll show you guys around the general store. But this is a parking lot we're at, so we'll take you into the store and we'll show you around in there. Alright, we came on to the other side. We were over there. They got a bunch of camping stuff on this side. Shovels, water jugs, pots and pans.
Just like ours.
Yeah, except that one's in better shape. All kinds of stuff here. I saw some axles laying there. Some belts and some axles and a winch over there. It's your average camping supplies. Candy. Tire repair kits. Got a lot of stuff here. Pretty cool place. Gas cans, coolers, Dippin' Dots. Very cool. Alright, let's go ride. Almost at Trail 16. We left the parking lot, we took Trail 2, and shortly after being on 2 by after the parking lots, we got stopped by the Windrock staff to make sure we had our permits and checked our coolers, make sure we weren't out here drinking moonshine and stuff. But we're at the beginning of Trail 16, labeled black on lifetime. Show you where we were. Right here's the parking lot. Took Trail 2 right to here, and we're gonna hit 16. So that's what we're gonna do now. We'll take you along for the ride. From looking at videos, I know that there's a good rock section on 16, maybe a couple ruts, and I think halfway up or so there's a waterfall too. We'll see if we can find that on the way through. And hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And still really excited to be out here to finally see the trails here. Definitely didn't disappoint, so we'll get moving.
Decent little rock section coming up. A little bit of a climb. Looked like there was a bypass to that section too if you didn't want to go up that. Guess you should be in gear to move.
I was like, oh my god.
I broke the mount off, so a little bit of electrical tape. Unfortunately, my camera shut off, so I wasn't recording backwards for over half the trail, but we are, say we're about a quarter of the way through. Maybe a third of the way through Trail 16. There were some awesome spots back there that we were pretty much sideways on.
We didn't rub it all down.
There's other ones I bet you can get and you can just see 'em.
For as much scraping as I did, didn't do too much damage, except for ripping my fender off again. Not too bad.
Oh look, Emma's let me use her Windrock chapstick.
You guys are weird. Okay, camera's fixed. I think we're ready to get back on the trail. We'll finish this off, and I don't know at what point the rock climb is. I know I've seen a bunch of videos of it, so we'll film if there's anything good the rest of this trail. We'll film out through here, and then we'll see you at that rock climb. Took the drone up there. Of course you guys saw that. Took it up the trail. Look at the rock. Flew it around here a little bit. This is an awesome view. This is right at the base of the hard spot of 16. The hard spot of 16 is right here. This is a bypass, which still looks pretty good, but there's a few that came along. I think KRX, Can-Am, and a Wildcat. They said that they're gonna go up this spot here. Watch us come up here, which hopefully everything goes as planned. I haven't walked up there yet, but we're gonna get ready, finish our snacks, and then we're gonna get up here and see what we can make of the hard spot of 16. Any words before we hit it?
Done.
Good luck.
I love you.
It's at least it's dry.
dry.
Yeah. A few. Is that wet spots? Is it starting to sprinkle?
Maybe.
No.
If it is, it's very light.
We better get going then. I think so. Might be off their machine.
All right. Next clip you see will be us attempting or going up it. This is a spot that we're gonna attempt to climb. Stand there, Sherry. It's about waist high. And there's a second ledge here, which doesn't look too crazy, but this one's gonna be pretty rough here. That's a good ledge. Coming up.
I feel like if you hit it here, you're gonna have to really send it.
Try to get her.
All right.
Coming up over.
That was a good spot. It was the ledge was a little bit taller than I had imagined it, but I told Sherry you're just gonna have to send it. There's a fine line on sending it too hard though. And that's not too much. I mean, that's a heck of a drop, and then you have another trail down below, but if things go south, they could go really south. Nice. Woo! Nice job, Sherry. Good job, Sherry. That's awesome. The new one-hit wonder. Hell yeah. Good job. She scares me sometimes. Alright, we got Scott up. 72-inch wide, 35-inch tires. Got my daughter Emma over here on the camera, Sherry up here on the camera, Cooper over there on the phone, getting the TikTok and Instagram stuff. Facebook. Get out of here. If he even crawls out, I was gonna say, he was close to crawling it.
I almost crawled it.
Yeah, you did. You look good back here, Scott.
Right there.
I'd come back more.
What do you say?
Yep. Don't want his tire to come off. Almost. healthy little send right there. All right, man. The hard spot is 16. Done. Mark that off the list.
Hey, clearly I have the most style.
Stop it. Keep talking like that, you won't be able to fit in your side. Head be too big.
One of our tires are missing a tire cup because I just found it in my pocket.
Dude, that was close. I could almost crawl it.
Yeah, it was on the verge. If you could have maybe hooked on a little bit of rock,
I know.
it probably would have just pulled you.
It was close.
I
thought it was going to be close.
It was down in this dip right here, so it wasn't getting all the traction, and this tire was on rock.
And then whenever you came off, you slipped off of it. That's why you couldn't come.
Yeah, you were on that big rock.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's
I
awesome.
just needed a little more traction out of the front,
Yeah,
and I could have crawled it.
if it wasn't dug out right there, you would have had it.
Yeah. I thought it was going to be close.
It was man, I tell you what, I make YouTube videos a lot. If you guys follow the channel, you know we put out 2 videos a week and have been for over 2 years, and videos just don't do this stuff justice.
Nope.
I was even fooled by this. I was like, you know, a healthy 3-foot ledge maybe, but it's like 4 foot in vertical.
It's a good ledge.
Yeah. It's a good time. I couldn't imagine trying it when it's sloppy out.
I interviewed Gianna.
Huh?
I interviewed Gianna.
Did you? The
Yes.
camera's still rolling?
Like clams.
It is?
No, it's still on. No, it's on.
It's on. It's,
It's
just
like
not
a
rolling.
fungus.
Oh,
I think it's
whose camera do I have?
That's Scott's.
It's
Okay.
Is it on?
We're gonna finish off 16,
Okay.
and then we'll see what else we can get into. Stick around.
Coming to you live from Trail 16, Windrock, Tennessee. We're here interviewing Gianna Fada. How did you feel coming up this trail?
It was pretty good. Honestly, for the most part, we stayed like on the ground, or at least it felt like it. And I honestly thought we were going to be able to crawl it, but we weren't able to.
Thank you.
Just left the hard rock section on 16. Coming up here, we're gonna finish off this trail for you guys to be able to see it. Take this thing out of 4 low lock. Right here's the bypass if you're not interested in doing the rock spot. Trails and take us out low. It has just about everything to offer as far as riding experiences go. It literally has it all. It's awesome. It's one of my favorite trails so far that we've hit down here. It's like Russian roulette. I don't know which one to pick. Which one do you think, Coop? Straight ahead. We're gonna lock in the halo. I better not try to do this one-handed here. Hold that. Got it? to Windrock riding, I would suggest bringing a lot of tire repair patches and plugs and a sidewall slug. These rocks are just vicious. There's a lot of them and they're sharp and pointy. Also running a tube in mine and Sherry's because of a flat. If you weren't aware of that, they're holding up great. Thing I forgot was going to the waterfall. I completely forgot about it. We forgot to go to the waterfall. It was like halfway up 16. Forgot all about it. I got into all the ruts and everything. Just completely forgot about it. Up this trail and it says there's a waterfall on it. It might be an inch big, it might be the size of a mountain, but we're gonna try and make it up to you for missing a waterfall on trail 16, and hopefully there's a decent one up here since we missed that one. It's just right up here. Watch we go up here and it's like a little pebble. That'd be my luck. What trail are we on, Scoop? Trail 53. There's ice on the side of that rock. It's chilly out today, but I wouldn't think it's cold enough for ice. Well, it's not flowing like crazy, but hey, there's water on it though. Gonna try and get out here, show you. Man, I bet this looks amazing when it's after a hard rain. This thing is massive. Pretty cool. That's what I was just saying. I can only imagine what it looks like after a hard rain.
Yeah.
You about to wipe out, Coop?
Yeah.
I don't know if I caught that or not. I'm surprised there's ice over there.
What's that?
There's ice on it.
I know.
not even that cold out. I'm wearing shorts.
Yeah, look at all this ice.
It's chilly, but that water, I bet you that water's cold. Good. Oh. Man, I bet you that's... I'm going to have to look up some videos on this to see what it looks like when water's flowing on it. It's trail 53. And we're on our way to the Devil's Elbow, which is 54A. And I think it's just up this trail a little ways. I'll show you on my map.
Yeah, I was trying to avoid the water as much as I could.
Let's see, we are right here. 53 Waterfall. Right there's the Devil's Elbow. So that's where we're at now. That's pretty cool. Says the man. Hopefully this helps make up for the lack of me remembering about the waterfall on Trail 16. But either way, we're gonna end this video here. We're gonna start a new video at the Devil's Elbow. So if you're interested in seeing that, stick around a few more days. There'll be another video popping up. Want to give a huge thanks to our channel sponsors on the page, our channel members, our patrons. You guys rock. We appreciate it. If you're not already, please do us a favor and hit that subscribe button down in one of the corners, and check out some of our new merch on our Facebook page. I have the new design. Scott has the original design, the Can-Am crew. And for those of you that don't have a Can-Am or don't like Can-Ams, we also have shirts on there that don't have any side-by-sides. There's some sayings. Is my side-by-side okay? I don't think any of us. Weekends are for riding, stuff like that. So it's just another way for everyone to support us. But we're gonna end this here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.